Absolutely, yes. As we said before, a nick is not the same case as a vicious ripping of flesh or uh, serial bites to the face, uh, or the age of the person, if it's a child versus an older person that's more mature and can deal with the situation a little better. Uh, Severity of the attack or the damage definitely is a core element uh, determining the value or the amount of the recovery. Uh, any residual, meaning like if you have a limp because your calf muscle was bitten badly and has been repaired, but you still have 20% or 80% non-use of that calf muscle or residual pain and limitation, that has to be included, excuse me. Obviously, many times a certain kind of dog, some people, a big dog, a pit bull, uh, a Rottweiler, can really stamp a real phobic impression to that person. So yes, the extent of the bite, how the bite happened, what's the residual, how old was the person, all of these things have to be factored in.